Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Hi, Ganesh here, and in the next few minutes please listen to me carefully. So would you like tap into red hot $285 billion industry right now and create a monthly recurring passive income without depending on any marketing gurus or various do-it-yourself technique? If that caught your interest, then I've great news for you today. Presenting CookMate AI. Instant access of world's first AI and cloud-based software creates self-updating food and recipe websites loaded with 1,000 plus multiple niche food recipes. 20 plus cuisine categories in just 45 seconds. Start your own food selling and recipe creation website in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in to members area. Step 2. Enter your site name. Step 3. AI will automatically generate awesome good-looking fully automated food site loaded with 1,000 plus multiple niche food recipes. 20 plus categories in just 45 seconds. Sell your own food products and recipes too. Here are some of its amazing features. Build unlimited fully automated food recipe affiliate sites. Tap into red hot $285 billion food industry right now. Loaded with 1,000 plus recipes with 20 plus categories to sell right away. Free domain. Blazing fast hosting included. Inbuilt SEO and ads placement feature. 100% AI-based and cloud-based platform. Pay once and get profit forever without any restrictions. Inbuilt. Add your own recipe feature. Upload your own food products and sell them to hungry customers. Add your own unlimited food products and recipes. Commercial license included. No limitations. Completely free. No special skills or experience required. Step-by-step training. And much more. And we're not alone. Over 150 top agency owners, marketers and more than 2,000 customers have started making money with CookMate AI. Till now, CookMate AI has built 9,200 plus affiliate recipe sites platform without any hassle. It's huge, and now it's your turn to use it for your business to skyrocket your conversion and profit at a low one-time cost during this special 4-day launch deal. Your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it out for 30 days. If you are still not convinced, get your money back. Soon it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast and click the link below. See you inside.